friends, welcome to Healthy Kadai. I'm sure you all have shortlisted your Holi special recipes like gujia, malpua, jalebi and of course Thandai. But have you ever thought of making cake for Holi? So friends, today I'll be sharing my very healthy Holi special cake. We'll be making eggless whole wheat Thandai Mawa Cake. Just by listening the name, I'm sure you can guess the aroma, the flavor of this very delicious soft cake. So friends, let's quickly see how to prepare it. Before moving to the recipe, I would request you to please subscribe to my channel if you are new to Healthy Kadai and click on the bell icon so that you get regular updates of our new recipes. Firstly, we'll sieve all the dry ingredients. So here I have 1.5 cup of whole wheat flour or atta. In weight, this is 200 grams. Into this, we'll add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda. And now we'll sieve it. If you do not want to use atta, then you can either use maida or rice flour. Generally, this cake is made using refined flour, but to make my cake more healthy, I'm using whole wheat flour here. We'll keep it aside. In another bowl, we'll add half a cup of powdered sugar. In weight, this is 100 grams. I've simply crushed regular sugar in a mixer grinder jar to prepare this powder. Instead of white sugar, you can even use brown sugar. Then to this, we'll add half a cup of curd along with half a cup of oil. Use any vegetable oil and we'll whisk everything together. Next, we are adding 3 tablespoons of Thandai Masala or the Thandai powder. If you remember, in my last video, I had prepared Thandai. We had prepared fresh Thandai premix, which you can use later. So today I am using the same flavorful Thandai Masala to make this very flavorful cake. So here goes 3 tablespoons of Thandai Masala. After that, I have this 100 grams of grated Khoya or Mawa. If you do not have Khoya, you can even add 100 grams of milk powder. And let's combine it once again. You can very well imagine the kind of flavors which this cake will impart. And now we need to simply combine our wet ingredients with dry ingredients. So we'll add flour. Do not add dry ingredients in one go. Just add half the mixture first. And there goes the balance. We'll gradually add little milk and we'll prepare a nice batter. So approximately half a cup of milk goes into this batter. And the last step is that we'll add few saffron strands which I have already soaked in little warm milk. If we are making Thandai cake, then saffron is simply must. And with the gentle hand, we'll just combine everything together. Our batter is ready. I have already lined a 6 inches baking dish. Into this, we'll transfer our cake batter. We'll just smoothen up the surface with the help of a spatula. And then we'll garnish it with few almonds. I have these almond slices with me. And here I have few pistachios with me. This cake is already looking so delectable. We'll just press all these dry fruits a bit. That's about it. Our cake is ready to go for baking. So friends, I have already preheated my air fryer at 180 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. Then we need to bake the cake at 160 degrees Celsius for 22 minutes first, and then we'll see. So friends, it's been 22 minutes and look at this yummy delicious cake. Let me check it if the cake is done. Yes, it's clean. We'll remove the cake tin from the air fryer and we'll allow it to cool down completely. Friends, we'll loosen out the edge. And then we'll just flip it over. Wow. And look at this cake tin, it's absolutely clean. Wow, just look at this wonderful looking cake. I'm simply drooling over it. Freshly prepared, very flavorful Thandai Mawa cake. Friends, just look at this. The cake has turned out perfectly well. It is so soft and spongy. Let me cut out a piece of it. And friends, just look at this. You can see perfect grains. It has puffed up so well. Very soft, very spongy, and of course very flavorful because we have used freshly prepared Thandai Masala in this, and with the added flavor of mawa, this cake is truly delectable. I'm sure you will really enjoy the flavor of this cake. Simple to make, healthy and spongy eggless Thandai cake. So friends, do try out this cake recipe for Holi. I'm sure you and your family members and friends will love the flavor of this very delicious Thandai Mawa cake. Do let me know how does it turn out for you. If you liked watching today's video, give us a thumbs up, share our videos with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadai to watch more such healthy and interesting recipes. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.